Okay, then by this unitary method, after 1 year you can get 10%, after 10 years you can get 100%. So the answer is 10 years. Here the option is C. Okay, let's coming to the next question. What is the compound interest on 4,000 rupees? What is the compound interest on 4,000 rupees for 1 year at 10% per annum, payable half yearly? Payable half yearly means compounded half yearly. There you should have to identify that dialogue and that sentence. Okay. Now look at there. Here the amount compound interest on, that means principal is equal to 40,000 rupees. Here information, and rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. And next one, interest rate for n is equal to 1 year. Okay, interest for 1 year, compounded half yearly. This is the information we have in this problem. Okay, compounded half yearly. That's why rate of interest is equal to what? 5% for half year. Okay, when you convert that one directly, you can get one thing, 40,000 into, okay, 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Okay, this is the amount after 1 year. When you subtract the amount from 40,000, okay, that means principal, you can get the interest. Okay, so here double zeros, here double zeros cancel. 105 square, I had already told to you, 105 square, here 5 is equal to 25, here number, previous number into the next number, that is 11, 10 into 11, 11 tens, 110. So here it is 110 25, 110 25 into 4. We should have to calculate this one. Here 4 5s, you may do one thing. Here it is 4. I had already told to you the columnar process, that is very much useful to you. Now 1 0 0, again 1 0 0, again 1 0 0, again 1 0 0. There is no another one. 1 4 4. Okay, other one all 0, and eliminate this one, you can get again 1 4 4. Eliminate this one, you can get 0 4 0, and I eliminate this one, you can get 2 4 8, and eliminate this one, you can get 5 4 20. 20 is indicated as like this, 0 10, that is 1 4 4. So what is that value? 44,100. This value is equal to 44,100 minus 4,000 is equal to the interest. That is nothing but 4,100. This can be done in another way. Okay, suppose initially it is 100, when you add 5%, okay, and it will become 105, and again 5%, it will become 105, 5% on 105. At 10% it is 10.5, at 5% it is 5.25. Okay, when you add 5.25 to this one, you can get the answer 110.25. Okay, you can get directly 11025 that value. Okay, while compares that one, you can get the same answer 44100. Okay, otherwise you can do one thing. On 40,000 rupees, 5% is 10% is 4,000, 5% is 2,000. Okay, add these two. Okay, again 5% on this one. Okay, 4,000, 10% value is 4,200. On that half, 2100. 2100. When you add this one, he asked the only the simple interest, that is nothing but 4,100. Directly you can get the answer. Okay, by this way, by these two steps you can get the answer without doing these all waste things. Okay, this is the most preferable one. Look at here, on 4,000 5% is 2,000. Okay, 10% is equal to 4,000, then 5% is equal to half of this one, 2,000. Here 10% is equal to 4,200, then 5% is equal to half of this one, 2100. This 2100 on 2000 is nothing but the interest for 1 year, then total of that one. So what is the answer? 4100. This can be done in any ways, but this is the preferable way. Okay, or this is another preferable way, that is 40,000 is for 100%. Okay, then 110.25% is equal to 40,000 into 110.25 by 100. Double zeros cancel. When you get the 0, 110 here, 11025 and another double zeros cancel, you can get the answer. Okay, that's a lengthy process to you, so you should not prefer to this model for this kind of questions. Okay, next one. Look at that question, 9th question. This is also important to you. A sum under compound interest double itself in 3 years. In how many years will it becomes 8 times it? Okay, 8 times it. He asked for 8 times it. Okay, look at that question. In simple interest, we generally directly use the unitary method, whereas in the compound interest, we can't do like that. Okay, look at there. Here it is, in 3 years it is doubled. Okay, in 3 years it is doubled. Okay, double means 200%. Initially at first year principal is 100%. After 3 years it is 200%. So in 3 years it can add 100%, right? Okay, in 3 years it can add 100%. Okay, so for the next, here in compounded one, only for the cubes is applicable. 3 years is double. Okay, for I am asking you that 8 times of it. That means 8 times means 800 times. Okay, for 100% it is 3 years. For 100% increase it is 3 years. For 700% increase it is 7 3s, 21 times. Okay, is it right? No, 7. Okay, so directly you can do one thing, 800%, that is nothing but cube times 3 cube is equal to 27. So you should have to write at the powers. You should have to write at the powers in this case. Okay, so 200%, actually it is double. Okay, double in 3 years. Okay, here we want to 8 times, that is nothing but 2 cube in how many years? Okay, this is comes to the power in the compound interest. For simple interest directly for 3 years it is double, for 4 years, for 6 years it is 4 times, like that. Okay, now here the answer is 27 times. This model is very important to you. Okay, this can be done in another way also. Okay, in 3 years it is doubled, that means 2p. Okay, so amount is equal to 2p is equal to p of 1 plus I whole power 3. Okay, so pp cancel, 2 power 1 by 3 is equal to 1 plus I, where I is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, when you are aware of that I, okay, to get 8 times of that, that means 8p is equal to p of 1 plus I whole power n. So here pp cancel. I value is 2 power, 8 is equal to 1 plus 2 power 1 by 3 minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Okay, by this way 8 is equal to 2 power n by 3. So this 8 should be converted into 2 powers. 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power n by 3. So here in this case n is equal to what? 9, by equalize these two. Okay, if you forget that shortcut, you can do one thing. Directly that amount is doubled after 3 years. That means 2p doubled 2p. Initially it is p, after 3 years it is 2p, that means at the power 3. Then you can get I value. That I value should be included in that one. You can get the same answer. Okay.